Hello friends. So in the last lecture what we have understand about the different type of ways by which we solve this quadratic equations. So as we discussed there were three methods. So we are understanding and we'll do the first method, how to solve the factorization, how to use this factorization method in solving the questions, right? So this is a basic first step. And this method is quite easy in which you can just use some mental maths and इसको जैसे हमने बोला कि we call it middle term split. So just look at the middle term and you will get the factor in your hand. So I'll just tell you the step by step how we should do it initially, and later on maybe we will be able to identify and do it. So to do that, first step is to write down the equation in the standard form, which is in this form, and then choose the values. What is A, B and C? Correct? This is the first step what we have to do. Then what we have to do is, now I'll follow some step how to get the zeros of this equation or the solution of this equation. Step 1, just multiply A with C. So multiply A into C, right? So what I will do is I will take one example so that आपको ये बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. So instead of this, I will take some equation. You should be able to understand that. So I will take this equation, say 4x square plus 22x plus 10 equals to 0. Right? So this is the standard form. So A here is 4, B is 22 and C is 10. This is what we have. So first step हमको क्या करना है? A multiplied with C. So let us do that. So 4 multiplied 10 will give you 40. Correct? Now after doing this, find the factors of 40, like pair of factors. Suppose like 40 can be written as 1 into 40, 2 into 20. So same way we have to find out the pair of factors. So this is step 2. Find pair of factors. ये एक मैं जनरलाइज चीज बता रहा हूँ which is applicable to all the questions. Few students just by look at it will do mentally, but जो लोग नहीं कर सकते उनके लिए ये basic method है. So 40 you can write down 1 into 40 or 2 into 20 or say 4 into 10, 5 into 8. So these are the 4 possible pair of factors. Now what you have to do is you have to choose one pair जिसका plus or minus, sum or addition or subtraction will be 22, which is middle term. So if you see out of these, this is 2 plus 20 is making 22. So this is the possible factors by which we can split this middle term. And second thing is, this you can write as 20 plus 2 or 2 plus 20. Both ways are correct. So let us solve this. I'm just writing it. So step 3 में हमने क्या किया? Choose correct pair. Okay, so this will be 4x square. Now I can write down this as 22 को I can write as 2x plus 20x plus 10 equal to 0. So this way I have just split it into this form. Now we will take pair, इसका pair और इसका pair. So what is common here is 2 and 4 by 2 and x is common. What is left here is 2x plus 1. Same way if you see this, इधर में 10 common आएगा, so 2x plus 1. One more thing is very important. ये जो common लेने के बाद यहाँ जो दो factors के brackets बचेंगे, they have to be equal. नहीं equal आ रहे, go back. Maybe you have done some mistake. So these are the two possible factors. What do we get? Then अब हम इनको separately 0 के equate कर देंगे and we'll get our two answers. So अगर हम जब इसको equate करेंगे, so 2x plus 1 इक्वल टू 0 विल गिव अस x इक्वल टू -1/2। तो हमारा एक ये आंसर आ गया। और जब इसको इक्वल करेंगे 2x + 10 इक्वल टू 0, तो x इक्वल टू -5 आ जाएगा सॉल्व करने। So these are the two roots or the solution of our equation. So that is how we use this factorization method. I hope you understand that. This is the two values what we got is दोनों पॉजिटिव आते हैं कुछ केस में। अगर यहाँ एक चीज़ रिमेंबर वन थिंग, इफ़ योर प्रोडक्ट इज नेगेटिव तो आपकी एक वैल्यू इससे बड़ी होगी और एक छोटी होगी, मीन्स वन विल बी नेगेटिव साइन विद नेगेटिव साइन एंड वन विद द पॉजिटिव साइन। तो वैसा कुछ एक क्वेश्चन और हम करके देख लेते हैं अभी। सो आई विल जस्ट टेक दैट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन आल्सो। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस। सो आई एम नॉट राइटिंग द मेथड अगेन। आई टेक वन सच क्वेश्चन जहाँ पर डिफरेंट दो वैल्यूज उनको लेनी है। सो लेट अस सॉल्व जिसमें बीच में नेगेटिव आया हुआ है। सो आई एम टेकिंग वन एग्जांपल 3x² - 8x - 80 इक्वल टू 0। फाइन। सो इफ यू सी हियर a इज, तो सोल्यूशन हमको करना है। सो आई विल जस्ट राइट डाउन a इज 3, b इज -8 एंड c इज -80, राइट। सो एज आई टोल्ड यू फर्स्ट स्टेप इज मल्टीप्लाई a विद c। सो a इंटू c करेंगे, सो विल गेट a इंटू c, सो इट इज -240, करेक्ट। अब 240 अगर हम 0 छोड़ दें तो 24 के फैक्टर देखने हैं सच दैट इट इज -8। सो विच आर द पॉसिबल फैक्टर्स ऑफ 240? हम देखो बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स बनेंगे इसके, बट नियर बाय हम थोड़े से देखेंगे जिनका प्लस माइनस करके 8 आ जाए, राइट। सो विच आर द पॉसिबल फैक्टर्स? चलो सारे ही लिखते हैं अभी स्टार्ट में। सो 1 240, 2 120, देन 380, देन 460, देन 640 के बाद 5 भी जाएगा ना, राइट। 5 will give us 48, हाँ 5 भी ले सकते हैं। 5 will give you 48, 6 will give you 40, then 8 से जाएगा, so 8 will be 22. Now if you observe, but दोनों नेगेटिव है, so one should be more. Okay, और कोई फैक्टर्स देखो। 22 ऐसे ही किया। Yes. So if you observe 8 and 30 will make it 22. No, sorry, गलत हो रहा है। 8 and 30. Then what more we can see is फोर फैक्टर्स देख लेते हैं थोड़ा सा। 8 चाहिए, 10, 24, then we'll have 12, 12, 10 into 240, then we can take it as 20. 12 and 20, right? So this is our correct answer. So see, आपको एक बार में दिमाग में आ जाएगा, don't need to write all this thing, just ये first timers के लिए I'm just writing. So this equation I can take these two factors. अच्छा, one more thing you have to remember that this negative sign will be with the bigger number. So 20 के साथ माइनस जाएगा, 12 के साथ प्लस जाएगा. So I'm taking 3 के साथ में 12 so that it can be easily solved, and this 20 will get negative sign because this number has negative sign. So 3x remaining here is x plus 4 and here minus 20 x plus 4. So x plus 4 is 1 and second factor is this. Then we'll equate them separately. This or this can be written as 0. So x equal to -4 or 3x equal to 20 or x equal to 20/3. So these are the two possible answers what we get. No need to do all these things once you will have proficiency and practice into it. तो आपको सीधा देखना है 240 को कैसे split करें and you can mentally do it. But जो लोग स्टूडेंट स्टार्टिंग से कर रहे हैं, I just want them to write it down so that it becomes easy for them. तो जितना प्रैक्टिस होता जाएगा उतना अच्छा होता जाएगा. So I hope you understand this. In the next session we'll understand the another method which is called formula method. Thank you.